I am going to swing trade UCloudlink. I want to show you all this. Let me open it here. It's kind of wild. I've been watching it for a little bit. Um, it's called UCloudlink. UCL is the symbol. Um, so today they are up by this 8.4% right now. They have kind of fluctuated some. They dropped below earlier to 358, but they basically just shot right back up to this. I started watching them a couple of weeks ago. I don't know what got me set on watching them, but I started watching them, and if we look at this, I think it was right in here. So they have gradually the start of this month they were at 267ish, 264. And they gradually like kind of came up, well they dropped off some, then came up here, and then I started like watching closer, and I've put them on a watch list. And if you look at this last week, it has just been stair stepping. So to 310, 330 something, 350, 370, 380 something in here. And it's just gradually been stair stepping. 98. So what are they up? 34% in the last week. And I started looking and I was like, okay, so let's look. They had announced earnings recently. So for the quarter ending September, they made 19 million. Quarter ending June, they made 19 million, a little more than 19 million. Quarter ending March, they had made 17.69. Quarter ending December of last year, they made 17 million. What they are is a basically a crap portable Wi-Fi hotspots, and they offer all these different devices for hotspots. And a lot of times you only really use hotspots if you're traveling. Well, they had kind of like fallen off. They started off really like badly. Okay, so 2250. And they started off in 2020, which was really obviously because of COVID, a sore spot to be starting with a travel business that, you really depend on travel. And so, yeah, they debuted it at 2250. Of course, they fell off of that because they depend on people traveling. Well, now we're into 2021, almost 2022. I fully expect this company to do a turnaround, and probably be trading closer. Like if we look at the math on it, so their market cap right now, let's look at their market cap, is 99 million. Their total revenue for the last 4 quarters was 73 million. I don't think it's unreasonable to think that they could probably go to, like right now they're trading a little over 1 times rev. It's not too unfathomable to believe that they could be traveling at 2 or be trading at 2 or 3 times rev. And to me, looking at this and looking at them, 380, they come off of, let's look here. What was this? 425. I don't think it's unreasonable to think that they could get in between 6 and 7. So I'm going to swing trade this in my mind. I'm going to probably buy in soon and then keep it until in between 6 and 7. Not double my money, but what is that an increase of? Like 20, probably an increase of close enough to doubling my money, I guess. I don't know that I'm going to hold them until 760, but I think that we could see a 38 cents is 10%. Do 38 times, what do we got here? I have a calculator on here? Why do I not have a calculator on here? Calculator. Sorry, we're gonna do. Do I not have? Oh, it is. There isn't one on here. Okay, we are gonna do. Let's Google. Let's see. They are trading at 378. 378 plus. Let's do a 7. Let's do 65%. 623. I'm going to get in shortly, and I'm going to keep it until 623. I think it can see 623. That's a 75% or 65%, sorry, 65% increase. I can see that happening. I believe in, I think that they can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and buy in at that. Buy in soon and keep it until the 623, 624. I think that they are going to have a comeback. And I don't think, looking at the chart and how it is like just gradually stair-stepping, I think that the machines are doing this and increasing it gradually and keeping it under the radar. It is up. I mean, look at it. 34%? Where am I seeing this? Yeah, 34% increase over the last week. I think it can go up even higher than that. Yeah, I think 627 or whatever it was is great. I'll probably even just buy it and leave it and just set a price target for 627. Okay. I just wanted to share that with you. I share what I found here with you. An increase of most of that is in the last week, and I think it's probably going to keep on just gradually increasing up. I don't know that they're going to reach that, what they started out $22 or whatever it was, year range 1420. Yeah, I don't know that they're going to get back up to that, to the year range, but I do think they're going to come off of this 378. When did they hit 193? I'm not seeing that on here, but probably on this day. So pretty recently, and it's just kind of stair-stepping up from there, and I think it's going to do pretty well. Okay, I just wanted to share that with you. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. And that is all I have for the day. I hope that you have a wonderful, profitable day, whatever day of the week it happens to be. If it's Saturday or Sunday, I hope you're having fun doing some DD research and finding some great finds. If you want to share those finds, you can email me. It's jer@stockvoyager.com. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye. Mwah.